Do you know that you can make money by sharing links? Let's see how to do it. First you have to click the link in the description, and then go to Adfly website. By this website, it's show ads through your links, and when someone see the ad, you get paid for that. In this website you have to register for an account to make money. Click join now to register. After that you get this form. Enter your name and give a username. Enter your email address. Retype the email in here. Then, select account type as link shrinker, create shortened URLs, and earn money. And enter a password, and retype it in here. And then, type this text in the box. Click the terms and conditions. And then, click join. I'm not doing this because I have already created an account, so I just close it. So, after you join, you'll receive a confirmation email to your email address. Go to your email and confirm it. After that, click login. Type your email address and the password and click login. This is my profile. I started this a week ago. But I shared links only in 3 days. You can see the views, who click my link and see the ad, or click skip button, and how much I have earned from it for 3 days. I only spend maybe 1 hour for this, in this 3 days. I just get a link and share it, that's all.
Think that, if you share your links every day, and someone click on it, you'll get money every day. So let's see how it works. First you have to find a link to share, that people looking for.
So, for an example, let's just go to YouTube.
And, search for a video and copy its link. And then, go to Adfly and paste it in here. And then, click shrink button. You can see that the link got shortened. All you have to do, share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, or your website or anywhere, but don't spam.
So, the thing is, all you want to know, what the people looking for. It can be videos. Go to video site, copy the link, and paste the link here, and share it, or it may be films, pictures, softwares, short clips, anything you can get the link. Let's see what happened when someone click your link. Let's just copy this link and go to it. You can see an ad appear here, and we have to wait for 5 seconds. And then, click the skip button. Then, it goes to the video.
If people click on the link and skip the ad, you get money for that. So if you know the links what people looking for, you can make money easily.
So, if someone just click on this skip button once, you get money for that. You can see it in here. So, think about what kind of links that most people looking for. As much as you share links and people click on it, you will get money. Just click the link below and start it now.
After you have earned money, Adfly will deposit your money into your PayPal or Pioneer account. Of every month, you have to connect your PayPal or Pioneer account to Adfly. Start it now. You can start by sharing this video also. Just say that in your message, "Hey guys, check this out." You can make money by sharing links, and share this video link through Adfly.
Start it now. Good luck, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.